Myself, Professor Khamdan MS, from Aswan Technical Campus in MBA Department, Charge Ahmednagar. Last lecture discussed the working note, plant and machinery account, land and building account, and adjusted profit and loss account, and capital working capital. So today lecture discuss the working note number D is for proposed dividend account. So this side is debit side and this side is credit side. This is the particular column, and this is column is rupees. This is the same here, particular, and this is the rupees. Okay. So proposed dividend. So the balance sheet, proposed dividend 2018 42,000 and 2019 50,000. So the buy balance. So buy balance brought down. This side, credit side, buy balance brought down 42,000 means 2018 42,000. Buy balance brought down 42. Buy balance brought down 42,000. And next one is by profit and loss account. This side to bank account, bank account 20,000 means this point is additional informations. So the additional informations, a dividend of rupees 20,000 has been paid in 2019 means to bank account 20,000. This is the debit side. Proposed dividend paid 20,000. And next one is to balance carried down. To balance carried down. Carried down. So the 2019 balance sheet to balance carried down 50,000. This side, debit side 50,000. Total proposed dividend account 20,000 plus 50,000. 20,000 plus 50,000 is equal to 70,000. And this side 70,000 credit side 70,000 minus 42,000 is equal to 28,000. 28,000 by profit and loss account. Profit and loss account. Profit and loss account. 28,000 means balance in figure. This is the proposed dividend account. This is the working note. This by profit and loss account. This is balance in figure. 28,000. This is the fund flow statement. 28,000. This is the source of capital. And next statement is fund flow statement. Working note is over, and next statement is fund flow statement. Next statement discuss the fund flow statement. This is the fund flow. Fund flow statement. Flow This is a not particular. This is column is source of fund. Source of fund. And this column is rupees. This is the application. And this is the rupees. Okay. Show the statement. Fund from operations. Show the fund from operations 1,76,000. Show the adjusted profit and loss account by credit side. Credit side by fund from operations 1,76,000. Show the fund from debit side. Source of capital fund from operations. Fund from operation 1,76,000. This is a C working note. Working note number C. 1,76,000. 1,76,000. And next one is issue of equity shares capital. Show the balance sheet. Issue of equity share capital 2018 3 lakh and 2019 4 lakhs. Means 4 lakhs minus 3 lakhs is equal to 1 lakh. 1 lakh, this is the liabilities. Means issue of equity shares 1 lakh. Issue of equity shares. Issue of equity shares. Issue of equity shares 1 lakh. And next one is sales of land and building. Working note number B. Sale of land and building. Working note number B. Show the bill, land and building account. Sale of land and building account. Sale of land and building account. And sale of land and building account 10,000. Working note number B. This is a 10,000. And next one is applications of fund. This side. Applications of fund. This side. Purchase of plant. Working note number A. Purchase of plant. Of plant. Working note number A. Show the A working note number. Purchase of plant. Plant and machinery. Show the working note number. Debit side to bank. Purchase of plant means applications 1,30,000. 1,30,000. And next one is redemptions of preferences. Redemptions of preferences. Shares. Redemptions of preferred shares. Show the balance sheet 2018 and 2019. Redeem preferred shares capital 1,50,000 2018 and 2019 1 lakh. 1,50,000 minus 1 lakh is equal to 50,000. This is the redemptions of preferred shares. Redemptions of preferred shares. And next one is payment of dividend. Show the additional informations. Payment of dividend. Show the additional working capital. Show the working capital. Increase in working capital 51,000. Increase in working capital. In working capital. Capital 51,000. And total, this is fund plus total. Show the credit side total. 1,30,000 plus 50,000 is equal to 1,80,000 plus 20,000 is equal to 2 lakh. And 2 lakh plus 51,000 is equal to 2,51,000. Payment of income tax. Income tax. Income tax. Payment of income tax. This is the additional informations. Income tax of rupees 35,000 has been paid during 2019. Show the payment of income tax. This is applications of fund. Total. This side applications of fund total. Credit side 1,30,000 plus 50,000 is equal to 1,80,000 plus 20,000 is equal to 2 lakh. 2 lakh plus 51,000 is equal to 2,51,000 plus 35,000 is equal to 2,86,000. This side total 2,86,000. 2,86,000. And this side total 1,76,000 plus 1 lakh. 2,76,000 plus 10,000 is equal to 2,86,000. This is the source of fund side total. 2,86,000. So the total source of capital 2,86,000 and applications of fund total 2,86,000. Total is correct. Then problem is correct. Show the fund flow statement. First source of fund. First one is fund from operations or working note number C. Profit and loss account 1,76,000 and issue of equity shares capital means show the balance sheet 2018 and 19. Balance sheet issue of 1 lakh equity shares and next one is sales of land and building. Working note number B 10,000 sales of land and building and this side applications of fund purchase of plant and machinery. Working note number first A 1,30,000 and next one is redemptions of preferential capital. This is the show the balance sheet 2018 and 19. 50,000 this is the redemptions of preference of shares capital. At that point applications of fund. Okay, and next one is payment of dividend. This is the show the additional informations. Payment of dividend 20,000. This is the payment liabilities means applications of fund and next one is increase in working capital 51,000. So the change in working capital 51,000. Increase in working capital means applications of fund. This is the application side. Increase in working capital and last one is payment of income tax. Show the additional informations. Payment of income tax in 35,000 means this is the liabilities means applications of fund. This is the application side and this side total is 2,86,000 and this side total is 2,86,000. This is the fund flow statement. Problem is over and problem solution is correct. Thank you all of you and thank you for everyone.